I didn't fucking record it. Fuck. So this is actually an IKEA furniture instruction. I think the typeface looks pretty cool, so I just originally it was like a long rectangle, but like I feel like a square will fit perfectly in this rectangle frame, so I didn't put it like absolute center because I feel like it's kind of boring, but yeah, here it is. Another art piece.
Never had enough when I was coming up. Yeah, always had to prove that I was tough enough to do better. Always had a plan that I would level up. Now we don't know no better, so I wrote these love letters to the city. Yeah, to the city. Yeah, feel like I'm stuck in the trap. Rather be playing in traffic, stuck in the middle of the map. Higher the rent and the taxes.
So I pick up those, it's a beautiful book, but the only thing that triggers me is this little sticker right here. It says updated edition, and I don't really care if it's updated or not. It's just for decoration and just coffee table book. But please don't do this again. Like, this is kind of annoying. I don't know how to, it's freaking hard to peel it off. I feel like it's impossible, and I don't know how to do it. So here is an example of you should not peel this sticker off from your magazine because it's gonna look like this if you don't do it properly. And I don't even know what the proper way to do it. This chair, it's actually extremely comfortable. It's more than just looks. Originally I thought it would just like, it's probably not going to be comfortable because it's all squared. So it's all sharp corners. They're not really sharp corners, but like, it doesn't look like a comfortable chair, but it's underrated chair. I'm 6'1", 2-ish, and I don't have a problem with the back and the leg softness area. So overall, I'm pretty satisfied. So this is a stool that I bought from IKEA, and originally I thought it would be a nice feature for my kitchen island, but when I put all the parts together, and I decided not to put the back and the bottom onto this stool because it fits into the overall vibe here. It looks pretty industrial. It looks like a ladder with a black and white theme, and so yeah, I'm just happy with the overall look here. But the thing is, I'm not going to be able to have a stool. That's a problem. I'm not going to be able to sit. I'm gonna go out to meet my friend from college, and he just came back to Canada. We're gonna go out and eat some Korean food, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna show the outfit I'm gonna wear today, and let's do it.